Welcome, they call me Big Herc, and on this channel you will see basic motorcycle install videos, wind therapy, vlogging, just our motorcycle life, enjoying each other's company and meeting new people and going to new places. My adventurous side exploring life with my not so adventurous wife, but we enjoy doing things together and it's a match made in heaven. What's up, everybody? It's your guy here, Herc. Another episode here on Big Herc 80. On this episode, people have been asking me about it. So you have seen the full install of my Cicada setup with my Soundigital and HKI mini DSP. Well, I don't want to call it a competition, but we're gonna have a friendly comparison between my setup, 4-speaker setup, against a 6-speaker, 2-sub, all Hertz. The subs is precision power, right? Ain't that what they are? Yeah, precision power. So we're gonna do same thing, gonna be a jazz song. We're gonna play a song that's got some words in it. We're gonna walk, and I think it's about 30 spaces out here at the parking lot we in. So we're gonna be about 30 spaces. Got my guy Tez over there, and he's gonna be with his ultra classic, and he's got 6.5 neo uppers, 6.5s in the lowers, and the same ones in the pause. Yep. Tour pack pause, and then he has the precision power sub in each bag. We're gonna open it up. So we got the precision power built-in sub. Yeah, I thought it might have said on there how many watts. And part with the sound stream reserve. I forget. Oh, it tell you right there, HD HU 14SI, and I got a factory stock GTS. All right, we're gonna be playing 2 songs at least, maybe 3, and do a comparison. All right, here we go. Gonna be the first song, same thing, Pony, instrumental by Smooth Jazz All Stars. Yeah. 30 spaces last time. Well, I think it was 29, but we were Next song, Trampoline.
I've been having dreams, jumping on a trampoline, flipping in the air. I never land just through the day. As I'm looking up, suddenly the sky erupts. Flames alert the trees, spread to fallen leaves. Gather round the way to find the fire. How am I so deep in love when I dream of dying? I never feel so alive. I've been having dreams, splashing in the summer street, tripping, I fall. I wanted it to happen. Gotta do the eyes, crush away the paradise. Got it like a ghost, lying in the cold. I feel
So from where she's sitting, how
Oh, that's what she telling me. All right, guys, here's the third song. It's another like musical. AJ Gent, I think was the name, yeah. Singing Guitar Vibes. Here we go.
I heard something too.
Okay, everybody, that was a side-by-side comparison of a 4-speaker Cicada set up with Soundigital HKI Mini DSP on my bike, and compared to a Hertz setup, 6-speaker setup on Tez's bike, powered by Hertz and precision power sub in each bag. They're power subs. Appreciate it, Tez. He actually came out just so I can make his video, gives y'all an idea of how stuff can sound. Both sound great. Both of them sound good. So it was a side-by-side comparison to help y'all see exactly real world. I know people, like when I put my video up the first time, yeah, it sounded good and I know that, but there was nothing to compare it to. So I wanted to do a comparison video of a similar setup, and Hertz is a quality product. So thank y'all to everybody that tuned in. Like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.